Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. I heard that there are a lot of exciting new displays at the National Corvette Museum. So guess what? We came down here and we're going to check them out. So please smash that thumbs up, click the notification bell, and get ready for the ride of your life. And for a surprise at the end, is what I've heard. Stay tuned. C3 Corvettes. C3 is now featured on the Corvette Dan channel. What year is this, folks? There's a few giveaways. Well, don't look at the plate, but the gills on the side, right? The vertical up and down gills represent a 68 or a 69. The 69 says Stingray, the 68 doesn't. That's the easiest way to tell it first. Push button door lock is a 68, but then you see L88 here. Anyway, now once you get to 70 to 72, you have that, the egg crate. My favorite C3 is the 68 to 72. And what do we have here? A display depicting assembly back in the day. 1973s. Could be identified by the chrome rear bumper and the urethane front bumper. Let's see what else we can find. Alright folks, we are back in the museum. I haven't been here since April of 2023. Let's check out what's new.
That foretells future motoring. Supreme promise of more and better things for more people in the world of tomorrow.
I don't think that's new. Now remember, I was just here in April, so if you haven't been here in a number of years, this is all going to be new for you. So stay tuned if that's the case. But for those who are here at the National Corvette Museum Bash, I've heard there's a new display, and we're going to find it. Again, let me be the eyes, and sometimes the voice for the museum for you, as we near that festive holiday season that is known as Christmas. For those that don't know, Zora began his engineering days. First famous for him and his brother and the Arden cylinder heads for, believe it or not, flathead Fords. Let's see what else we can find. Is this new to you? I don't think this is new. At least to me it's not. Then again, I've probably seen these cars here and other places. I know there's something new, folks. We're going to find it. Nope, this isn't new. At least not to me. But if you haven't been here ever or in a number of years, stay tuned. I have other videos of the museum on my channel as well, Corvette Dan. Alright, let's see what else is out here. The split window is always worth a second, third, or even 50,000th look. What do you think? I like the split. Concept Manta Ray Corvette. Is this new to you? That's stunning. I know there's something else here we haven't seen, folks. Where is it? This is definitely not new, but one of my favorite displays in the Corvette Museum. Actually, it's one of my favorite Corvettes of all time. The 2019 ZR1 with the high wing. Manual or automatic, I don't care. Yeah, that's my holy grail, at least one of them. You know, split window, original LT1, you name it, but this is one of them. The National Corvette Restorer Society has a display in the National Corvette Museum. Are you a member of NCRS? I am. You should join if you own a Corvette, especially an older one. is your plate displayed in the Corvette Museum? I like my plates too much to give them to somebody else. Again, this is nothing new. I think there's something else here we haven't seen. Stay tuned, we are going to find it. Remember when the sinkhole collapsed inside the museum? If you don't, check out one of my videos on my channel. In detail, it shows that. Otherwise, let's walk through it.
Even if they manage to repair these cars, they will never quite be the same as they
Stunning display. Video will not do it any justice. You need to come to the National Corvette Museum for this alone. Although I can tell you this car was not here the last time I was at the museum back in April of 2023. I have found at least one new display that I haven't seen. I recognize the car in the display as being somewhere else in the museum, but that display is new and I see some cars I've never seen here before. So let's get right to it, folks. If you've been here more than once, you probably recognize this cutaway. It used to be at the front of the museum upon entrance. A lot of decent video in the background here. But there's some cars display that I haven't seen here before. Let's check it out together. Split window, always worth a look. Check that little car out. Fuel injected, split window, white with red interior. L88 cutaway. I've never seen this, to tell you the truth. This is exciting. This is exciting, folks. 1969 Corvette L88. I've never seen this before here. I've never seen this anywhere, to tell you the truth. We're going to get a closer look here. Early C3. Wish I could hop over this, but I won't do it. This is crazy. I love this. There we go. I've never seen that white Corvette. I have seen in person that other concept Corvette. This almost looks like a clay model. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. Maybe this isn't clay, but it looks like it. This is really neat. Let's let you read, see what it says. Zoom in if you can't read that. Pause it if you want. Alright, let's see what else we can find. I've seen this car before, but again, this display I'm looking at now, I have not seen it. Yep, I've not seen this display here yet. I like this. C5. Z06. Argent gray Z rims. I like it. I don't think I've seen this car here either. The following car I have, but was in a different display. I think this is a display of errors because we just passed the second, well, maybe the first, second, the third, the fourth, here's a fifth. We're entering the sixth. Maybe this is Era's display. We're going to see if we can't find a name of that. An American Love Affair since 1953. I think that's what we're going to call it. Blue Devil ZR1. All right. C7. We have one. We love it. This is again the last manual transmission C7 or Corvette, for that matter, ever. We have a short of this on the channel. That's why I said again, but there's another look at it. White with red, C51, red calipers. Oh, it's beautiful. All right, and now we have C8, American Love Affair. The E-Ray, say what you want. That thing is amazing, it's a beast. And look what we have here, folks. An American Love Affair since 1953. The 2023 Z. Check that thing out. That thing is wicked. Yeah, we started the tour with this. We started this display with this, didn't we? There's more, folks. I bet there's another display that's new. That's what I've heard. Not sure. Let's continue on. And we have yet another new display. Welcome, Custom Charisma. Let's go check that out, folks. I have never seen this before, as well as that previous display, although I've seen some of those cars. Let's just walk right in here. The Cosmic Invader, folks. I don't even know what that is. Here. You can zoom in, pause, and read that if you'd like. And this one is the Night Cruiser. Again, we'll let you read that. Zoom in and pause if you like. Batmobile. Who's your favorite Batman? I have a toss-up between Michael Keaton and, believe it or not, the original Batman from the 60s TV show, even though I was not alive. I've seen it plenty in reruns, and it's hilarious, to say the least. I've never seen this before, folks. Let's get a closer look at it. That looks Corvette-based. What do you think? I think so. Would you drive that? I would drive that. Why not? You're the only one in your block with this, that's for sure. What's that, C2 based? Almost looks like a C3 based body, but that interior looks C2 based, so we'll let you be the judge. Paddy wagon. Yeah, there was one of those on the overpass on my way down here. Check out my other video, because we found a speed trap you can't see. Aha. How many blowers? 2. You know what they say, injection is nice, but I'd rather be blown. In this case, we have 2 carbs, 2 blowers. Well, this is a new display, folks. This was not here back in April at the NCM Bash, as I was here. There's video on that too, on my channel. Bad Boy Deuce. Zoom in, pause, read that if you'd like. '60s style dragster. They used to call these diggers, folks. Do you know why they used to call these diggers? I'll tell you why. Picture how fast this thing was and how hairy it was driving down the quarter with that giant engine in front of you. Well, they called them diggers because they said it was short for grave digger, because if you drove one, you were digging your own grave. But I digress. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Smash that thumbs up. Stay tuned to the channel that drops daily Corvette Dan Thank you. Happy holidays, everyone. Until the next one.